We all appreciate great service. That's why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job, as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing and caring every single time. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. If we can help you, simply contact the number on your screen. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.